Supermarket knife tip.
Welcome back to Monster Main 357 Monster Main, and we back with some updates on my Tahoe 2002 Tahoe LT. Yeah, so what I did was go from highway terrain to off-road terrain. I went ahead and got some of those the Falcon Wild Peaks 3WAs. Yeah, but you see, I already had these 20s, and I had some highway terrains. These right here. This one. See how it's all eating up almost all the way around that bad boy. Good God. But yeah, let's see if we can go ahead and get the bag off of here. Alright, thank you guys. Fat Daddy and lovely Shamaya. Thank you guys. Alright. I'm gonna hold this up to it. You can see the difference in the tread. Like the thickness in the tire is a little bit like like this, and then versus that. It actually lifts the truck up probably about a half inch, maybe a little more. But I liked it. So I went ahead and got them. They don't even make that much noise. They real quiet. Those Falcons, pretty good. And I didn't want it all big up in my wheel space and having to turn, so that's a no lift with 20s on there. These are 275, 55, 20. So, and these rims, I've had these rims for almost 8 years. So I'm gonna keep them as long as they hold up. Shoot, I had to do something to it. But the fog lights looking good, looking great. They work. Shoot, that was the last video, wasn't it? Yeah, but that's fine. I think I'm gonna replace that though. There's all that water on the inside and all that. I don't really like all that. Yeah, this one's a little foggier than the other ones. That's not too much moisture in there, but we're gonna knock that out too. So yeah, let me just show y'all a little something. Ain't really bragging, it's just something I decided to do. I like them. They ride quiet. Had to get my alignment done. And boy, you talking about hold it in the road by itself? That thing nice. Yeah, so real quick, that was something I just wanted to show y'all with the Tahoe. But man, y'all gonna follow me over here to my mechanic house. We got a surprise, man. He shocked me when he called me. He was like, "Bruh, this is what I'm gonna do for you." I'm like, "What?" Man, let's ride. I got something for you. We made it. Let's see what's up, man. Here we are at my mechanic house. Yes, sir. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, we over here at my mechanic house. He putting together the motor now. Going in that truck. Ooh, I'm gonna show y'all the truck in a second. He building this. What is it, Kim?
383 stroker.
383 stroker.
510 horse.
Woo, 510. What?
Horsepower.
Horsepower. Good God Almighty. Building it from the ground. Man, boy. That thing, wow. Ooh. Yes, sir. He gonna throw that and this right here. This right here. 69 Chevy Kickside. We got him out here, popped the hood for him. It already got something in the hood. Oh yeah. Good God almighty. Look at that. Let's see what we got. He gonna tell us all about it, man. Good. He taking this out. This thing, wop, 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 wop. He gonna crank it up, Pete. Gonna get you straight. We just pulled up. So, you gotta get the keys and all that, you know what I'm saying? Deep, boy, they sit down in there. Good. 1969, man. This thing, boy, he primed it out. Oh, they got them flows back there. Good God almighty. So basically, it gonna take this motor out of this, and we gonna put it in this 84 Chevy Deluxe short body, short bed. As is. Well, we're gonna restore it. We're gonna prime it down. We're gonna get straight. And the best thing about this whole thing, it's a gift. He's giving it to me. I'm paying him boys to rebuild the motor. Well, he built the motor. I'm just paying him to swap it, basically. So let me see if I can pop this hood, man. Where is this thing at? There we go. It already got something in there. What's this right here? That's just a regular 350 sitting down in there. So man, we gonna get all the leaves out of here. We're gonna restore this little thing, man. It's gonna be my little project. So we're gonna get straight. Let's see what the side look like. Yeah. I'm gonna get it straight, man. Tighten it all the way up. Let me see. Yeah. They got the seat in there. They got a chair. We gotta get the doors. We gotta do the dash. Man, we gotta do everything. Yes, sir. Man, we gotta let them hit. We gotta let them hit that, boy. That was going up in there. Alright, well, we tried. Goddamn battery dead. We ain't got a whole lot of time out here right now, so we're gonna go ahead and charge it up, get it straight. But, what we gonna do, right? Got a surprise. Look something, man. I ain't tell you he was gonna take that motor that he building, and he gonna throw it back in that truck, the 69. Oh, man. So, next week, this video coming out, what we gonna do? We gonna take this and we gonna put it in the 69 over there, and we gonna take the 350 in there with the overhead cam and throw it in my little hot rod over here. And we're gonna see what's up, man. That's gonna be our little project, man. We're gonna blink out. We're gonna smoke the tires off of it, and that's it. Put that motor in there, smoke the tires off of it, take that motor, put it in there, and you already know what it is. He said, boy, we gonna smoke the tires off of it, boy, that's the last time I'm gonna do it, because I'm gonna have to buy me some new tires. He think, boy, this ain't nothing to play with. We gonna see what's up. Overhead cam with that sound at the red light. Oh, man. Restoration videos, here we come. Updating all the way. Holla at me, Monster Man 357, baby.